This is a video demoing the two-legged Gonk Star Wars droid I built, 3D printed, designed and built. I'll let it walk with its four-legged version. The files are available on Thingiverse and Printable if you want to build one. Here's what's inside of it. It's not too complicated, just requires a few parts: a single motor, an N20 gear motor, battery holder, switch, that's the electronics, a few screws, I think 6 screws, so it's a pretty simple build. I'll put a link to the files on Printables and Thingiverse, and there is a separate build video if you want to actually build it that'll show going through the actual assembling of it. Well, thanks for watching.